So this website is PE Open, and this is a great website for my co-teachers and I to be able to find new ideas to play with the kids in the classroom. If you come over here to curriculum resources, you can choose what grade. So I'm an elementary teacher, so I'm going to focus on K through 2 and 3 through 5. And if you come over to 3 through 5, sorry, my computer's slow. You can scroll on down to find out what skills you're wanting to work on. So I know that we're going to have a field day at the end of the school year and that we need some ideas. So I'm going to go over and click field day. And oops, we come on down. And it gives us the module documents, the individual challenge activities, relay activities, team activities. I don't know if I would want water challenge activities because kids make a mess with that. So let's say I want to do a relay, and we can go to Mission Impossible. I'll click on the PDF version. And this is gonna pull up a whole sheet about how the game's played, what it should look like. It's amazing because it tells us all the equipment, how to set it up, how to play. Even if we need some modifications, it explains that as well. The best part for lesson plans and planning out activities, it also includes the standards. And so this is huge as a first year teacher, as creating lesson plans are definitely key right now. We can even go back. There's even different professional development seminars you can watch online and different workshops. But this is huge for me as a T2T teacher because I have no background in physical education. My degree is in exercise science. And being in a gym full of kids looking up to you, I definitely need to be able to have a game plan in place, and this helps me get started. And this is PE Open.